Hi, James here. Welcome to my video review on the new automated video creator from Paul Pana and Sid Dewar. In a moment, I'll share with you how you got here and how you can get ranked on the first page of Google and YouTube in 24 hours as well. Let's roll. Now, Video Creator is an amazing tool that marketers have really needed to replace expensive video production. So what is Video Creator? Well, first, video is king right now. And if you've ever tried to create something, you know there's a need for an all-inclusive video creator. Now, Video Creator takes you from zero to hero by offering you the ability to customize video with your own artwork, logos, and designs, and apply all of these to live video, 3D animation, and a host of other first-time offered features. Now, this saves you a ton of money, whether you're a business owner or an agency. In the last 4 years, Paul and Sid have launched 9 back-to-back million-dollar blockbuster softwares. And I really think this is their best and most exciting product to date. Now, the challenge has got to be super easy for anyone to create videos, not just professionals. And it has to be able to do this for all kinds of marketing goals, from e-commerce and affiliate marketing, etc. And all this has to be done from one platform. Now, this automated video creator took over $250,000 in development costs. And if you've spent any time creating videos, you're going to love some of the first to market features available in Video Creator. First, Video Creator comes loaded with over 650 jaw-dropping videos. These templates are in the front-end product alone. Now, this is huge, because how many times have you been sitting looking at a blank screen and thought, where do I start? With this expansive library, you won't be stuck at the drawing board. This is the largest collection of high-quality, customizable video templates available in any single app. Next, motion tracking software that maps your designs and places them on the video seamlessly. Now, this logo mapping technology keeps your brand at the top of your class. In fact, this proprietary technology took 3 years alone just to develop. Now, other competitors only allow you to add logos to static images and scenes, but here the logos move with the object in motion and look completely natural, as if they were part of the original scene. Next, scroll stoppers. Now, these videos are guaranteed to boost engagement, skyrocket click-through rates, and slash your advertising costs on any social media platform. With all the extensive testing and research too, they made sure that they're 100% compliant with all the social platforms and rules, so you won't get your account banned for them. So now you can create sizzling hot scroll stoppers for any marketing goal in minutes. No expensive freelancers or video apps needed. Next, we have not only neon videos with customizable text, but 3D videos and live action videos specific to local businesses featuring real humans from highly requested professions. Now, this is a perfect choice for local businesses or for entrepreneurs to attract new traffic or leads or sales. Now, these live actors are dressed as doctors, real estate agents, a handyman, a construction arena, fitness, shopping, business, military, and really various other professions that are included. You can create a perfect video message for any local business with live actors dressed in various props and clothing to represent the most requested professions. Now, competing apps only allow users to create 30-second videos. But with Video Creator, your customers can also create long-length explainer and animated videos using these ready-to-use video templates. Next, e-commerce. With profit-boosting e-commerce and 3D product mock-ups, you can showcase your products and your e-commerce brands with these awesome mock-up videos. Next, animation. This brings your videos to life with photorealistic 3D animation videos. See, hiring freelancers to create 3D videos like these would cost thousands. And using complicated apps, animation apps, that requires a lot of skill and experience. Video Creator makes it easy for anyone to create 3D animation videos in minutes without any experience or skills. Anything you can imagine, you can make. So, how is Video Creator different from other apps? Well, with never seen before features and technologies included, and the largest collection of pro quality video templates available in any one app. That's how. You can create professional quality videos in seconds. Like a superhero, you can create amazing scroll stoppers, video mock-ups, product promos, e-commerce videos, motion tracking videos, explainer videos, animated videos, logo reveals, whiteboard videos, live action videos, 3D visual effects, hyper-realistic dynamic scenes, video ads, social media, and any other type of video you can imagine from one dashboard. With this, you'll be able to replace multiple video apps and save time and money. Now, these video templates are inspired by the best-selling video ads that have driven millions in sales. And now you can create amazing product showcase videos in seconds inside a Video Creator. And you get these state-of-the-art features without expensive subscription costs or monthly fees. Nothing compares to what Video Creator offers at a low one-time price. And it's backed by two of the most successful creators of online tools on the planet. And through this special offer, as we promised, you'll learn how to get your videos ranked on page 1 of Google and YouTube in 24 hours with our 24-hour ranking system. Now, this is a $997 value, and you'll get it for free simply by using the link and following the information that we have to claim your Video Creator commercial license. Now, don't be fooled. Other people will promise you thousands of bonuses that you'll never use, or WordPress plugins that you will never need. Instead, learn the steps to get your video ranking on Google and YouTube within 24 hours and never have to spend a penny on ads. To claim this bonus, simply follow the link in the video or in the description or comments below. And in the end screen, it'll have you do that in a new incognito tab. If Video Creator hasn't launched, be sure to get your information in and get on the list. Now, don't miss out on this amazing offer. And if this helps you, be sure to like and subscribe. And be sure to check out our other videos on Video Creator. Cheers.